Hey, if you want to add your fingerprint on the Realme C67, first of all, you will have to enable the settings. Open the settings and scroll down into the password and the security. Right now, you will have to navigate into the fingerprint, but before, you will have to get this standard lock screen password like pattern or password. After this, you will have to click on the fingerprint, tap agree, and now input your current screen lock password. From here, we have to place our finger tip on the sensor. So it is actually located on the right side, just right here. And we have to put the finger on it and then lift when we feel vibration. So when you feel vibration, just lift your finger and keep tapping and touching gently your sensor. Try to scan each edge of your fingertip, left edge, right edge, your tip. That's quite simple. You will just have to keep scanning for like dozen of the seconds, and now you can click done. But also you are able to add another fingerprint. So for example, if you are often trying to unlock your phone with the left and the right fingertip, you can simply add another one by clicking right here. Then you can click done, and from here you can also enable the face unlock. And now when you try to lock your phone, as you can see right now, you can unlock it by using the fingerprint sensor. There we go. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.